Hello everyone, welcome again. This is Maths time, Maths of 8th standard, and chapter is going on discount and commission. This is the last part of this chapter. Now what is rebate? What is rebate? Rebate means discount given by the government. What is rebate? Discount given by the government. For example, the organizations like Khadi, Gramodyog, handloom shops, handicraft selling centers, Bachat group, etc. give attractive discounts on special occasions. For example, at the time of Gandhi Jayanti, the Khadi textile goods are discounted for promoting Khadi. At such times, the amount of discount is compensated by the government. This monetary compensation is known as rebate. That means rebate is also a type of discount. Okay? Do you understood what is rebate? For example, now from a handloom stores, Sudhir purchased the following items. Number 1, 2 bed sheets. Number 1, 2 bed sheets. For rupees 375 each. Then number 2, floor mats. For rupees 225 each. On the purchase, he received a rebate of 15%. What is rebate? Rebate means simply a discount. Rebate is 15%. Find the total rebate. Means we have to find total discount. How much should Sudhir pay to the shopkeeper? Okay, now solution. First of all, calculate the cost of bed sheet. Cost of 2 bed sheets. What is the cost of 2 bed sheets? Each one is for rupees 375. So multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 375 is rupees 750. 2 5s are 10. 1 is carry. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 15. 1 is carry. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. Rupees 750. Now cost of floor mats. How many? 2 floor mats. Multiplied by, each one is of 225. So 225 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. 0. 1 is carried. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 2s are 4. Rupees 450. Then what is the total? Total cost? Total cost purchased. Total cost is equal to 750 plus 450 is equal to 0 0 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 is carry. 5 plus 7 is 12. Rupees 1200. Okay. Now total rebate. Total rebate. Total rebate is equal to, what is the rebate? Is 15%. Means on 100, 15 rupees off. So how many on 1200? Isn't it? 0 0 0 0. It is 15 multiplied by 12. 15 2s are 30. 3 is carry. 15 1s are 15 plus 3 18. Rupees 180. What is the total rebate? is 180. Now how much rupees Sudhir pay? Therefore Sudhir pay what is the last line? How much rupees Sudhir pay to the shopkeeper? Sudhir pay to the shopkeeper. SHOP. Shopkeeper. How much rupees? Total is 1200. 1200 minus 180. 0 minus 0 is 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 is carry. 2 minus 2 is 0. That is rupees 1020. Like this you can calculate rebate. Rebate is also a discount. Understood? Everybody understood? I think you better understood. Thank you.